Good day, good people, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. Today, I want to show you a quick DIY. It's an exterior home decor accent. Something simple, something quick, something easy, just to add a little something to your yard. So hold on, and I'll take you down to all the items that I'm going to use to make this quick and easy bird feeder. So what we will be using today, you'll need your scissors. I'm going to try and get the rest of this E6000 out of here. If not, I have another tube. Um, I also will be using the glue gun for the quick fix to adhere it to, but then you want to use your E6000 so that it sticks permanently. And I'm using a few of these glass vase fillers, and of your choice, whatever color you like. I love this turquoise color, and I had a few of these left, and I want to use those. And then you can use twine. You can use paracord, shoestring, ribbon, whatever you'd like to hang this bird feeder up. So what I have purchased is this cute little terrarium from the Dollar Tree. It's plastic, and I don't want to use it for a terrarium. I want to make a bird feeder. Now, it does have a hole here, and so I'm going to hang it up, and I'm either going to hang it on a tree branch, or more than likely, I will attach this hanger to my fence post. So anyway, it has this hole, so that's where I'm going to start. It has this hole, and I don't want water to get in, to ruin the bird seeds that I'm going to put in here. So I have a large glass stone, a larger one, and I'm just going to put some glue on here and attach it to this hole to cover that up. So to start, I'll put the E6000 on here, and let's see. So what I did was put a little E6000 around on the base of this with a little of the hot glue in a couple spots. That's on there. Cover that hole up. Then what I'm going to do, I want my stones, my glass fillers, to go around here. So let's see how we're going to do this. Put a little of the permanent glue on one end, and then I'll put the hot glue on the other end and just begin to place them around. And I'm just pushing them up against this lip. It's not going to lay right. I need to get a towel or something. Just get you a roll of tape, and you can sit it in. Help you keep it in balance. So I'm just going to continue around the lip of this opening with these stones. A dab of E6000, a dab of hot glue. And this opening to this roll of tape, lets you adjust this however you want to, and it sits still for you. Little trick, if you didn't know. Little hack. See how cute that's turning out? E6000 is expensive now. I picked up a small 2-ounce. It was $3.50 on Amazon. This is What, a 3.7 ounce? It's pretty expensive, I would say, for glue, but it works well. I'm gonna go back around to the top here because, I don't know how these stones are gonna come together right here. There might be a space. I should have went all the way around to the middle to see if there's gonna be a space. I just don't want the space to be up here at the top, so I'm gonna start back up here at the top and work my way this way. Now, I just got a little bit of space left, and it doesn't look like two will fit in there, so I don't think so. No, it's going to be tight. So I'm going to take the biggest one I have, and I'm going to turn it to the side. So there'll be a little gap in between both of them, but I can't. It's just not enough room for two. So here it is so far. And that's all I'm going to put on there as far as these stones, these glass vase fillers. I don't want to put any more because it'll actually make it really heavy. So hold on and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. So now what I want to do is try these temporary tattoos. So I have some blue flowers and they're temporary tattoos. I've cut them out. And like I said in the previous video, you just remove this plastic. There's a sheet on top of this that you remove off. And then you place this where you want to place it and use a wet rag, wet towel to soak it, to soak the backside. So I don't want to put it on the outside because it's a temporary tattoo. So if it rains outside, then it's eventually going to wash away or bubble up, or I don't know what it'll do. It's temporary. You can wash them off. So this is what I'm going to try and do. I'm going to stick my hand in here and let me get my water, my wet rag ready. And some towels. And let's see. So let me stick it inside here and see if I can conform it to this curvature and stick it on there. Okay, hold on to it and get my towel. See if I can get in here. Let me flip it this way. Put this wet rag on here and hold it down so that the water penetrates this paper backing. So I'm just pressing a little bit of water that I have in this towel onto this tattoo, the backing of the tattoo. And see, this way, it'll be on the inside. It won't get wet, and hopefully it'll stay. It should. There should be no reason why it shouldn't. Okay, let me see how wet this is. Whoa. We'll just hold it down. Put a little more water on there. Hold it down for a few more seconds. Oh, it's sliding. Okay, so look. We'll slide this backing off. Ooh. Let me see. Slowly. And we got a tattoo. So I'm going to blot it on the inside, and you can see it better when I put this white towel in here. So I can get this moisture, this water out, blot it lightly. And look, isn't that pretty? Ooh, but it's on clear. Now these tattoos work best, you know, on skin, right? So a lighter color. They work good on white and pale colors. But that's pretty. So that worked. I have another one I'm going to put on the other side. And it's a darker blue. So let's see how this one turns out. Let me peel this plastic off. And get in here. I don't want to put it where this is, so let me see if I can get it up in here. And maybe down lower. Oh boy. Let me turn it over. Sticking to my finger. If I can get it off my finger. Okay. Okay. Maybe about there. Let me put this towel in here. And press it down. Just turn it over so you can see what I'm doing. But let me turn it this way and put some pressure on this towel. Get some of this water out. Soak into this backing. Oh, it's starting to slide. So let me slide it out. Or, well, it was sliding with the cloth. Let me put some more water on it. You see it moving? There we go. There we go. Okay. Let me get the towel in there and dry it. Get that water out. Just pat it down. And look. Let me put light in there so you can see it. And I need to, hold on. I need to put a little more glue on this one here. The adhesive, the permanent hasn't dried yet, but that, maybe I didn't have enough of this hot glue on there. Let me put a little more hot glue. Of course that's not, come on, there we go. Stick that down. Okay, I want to stick this white towel in here so you can see that better. That's so pretty. It's really pretty. And then this is the other one. So I wanted to put a little butterfly on this right here. So I'm going to try and stick that butterfly on the inside. It's very tiny. What do I do with it? And it's a pale green. Oop, this way. So let's peel this off. And let's see if I can get it up in there with this towel. Let's see. Better have small hands to try and get up in here. I guess. I guess. Let me put some water on it. Mm-hmm. I need to get a little more water. This towel doesn't have enough in it. Okay. Let's see. The paper's trying to slide off. Maybe I need to get some tweezers and get up in here. It's tiny. Let's see. Can't get a hold of it. Well, maybe this rag will help it come off. Maybe. I don't know. I think it's getting stuck between the rock and the... Hold on. Get out of there. There we go. Gee whiz. That's very pale. I don't know if you can see that butterfly or not. Let me dry it off on the inside. There it is. I imagine this will look nice outside in the sunshine. Maybe they'll show a little better. Really cute. So, with that being done, the string, what am I going to do? I have this blue paracord that I could use. It's rather bright, but it kind of matches the flowers. That would be real easy. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let me find the end. I got this paracord some time ago from the Dollar Tree, when it was the Dollar Tree. Not going to need a lot. I don't want it to hang too low. Okay, I'm going to cut off maybe about 25, 26 inches, something like that. I'll cut off 28 inches, around there. Stick this through here. And with paracord, let me cut this end here off flush. Paracord, you can use a lighter and put the two pieces together. My torch I left outside on the fire pit, out in the backyard by the shed, and I'm not going to get it. So I'm just going to burn it with this. Melt it a little bit. Melt this side a little bit. Get it nice. And melt it. And then you just put the two pieces together. Like that. And twist it. Twist it. Twist it in between your fingers. And that should hold. And if it doesn't, you do it again. Nope, not quite. It's coming loose. Let's try it again. Gotta get it hot enough. Okay, put the two together, smash them together, like that. And then roll it between your fingers. There we go. Not gonna come loose. Not at all. So next I'll be taking you outside and filling this up with some birdseed and see where we're gonna place it. I think it turned out rather cute. Got a 5-pound bag of birdseed, and offhand I don't know where it is. I think it's in the shed. Okay, y'all, so y'all already know it needs a little something extra for me. You know, I need a little more shine. I need just a little more something. So I'm adding these acrylic rhinestones with some gem tack. And I'm just putting one in between each stone here. Just a little dot of the gem tack. And I'll add a stone. right in between. And I'll just do this all the way around. Isn't that pretty? Got all sizes in here, so I'm just trying to find the bigger ones. All right, let me get these last two on. That's pretty. So, what else do I want to do? I don't want to do too much, but I might want to put something in here. Let me see how this smaller size. These are silver. Let me see what that looks like right here. Might be all right. Let me just place a couple and see. Or, okay, I'm gonna do that. I'll put a couple on so you can see, and then I'll finish them off camera. I'll put it in 3 spots, and then I'll finish the rest off camera. Put it on there and push it in. That one went inside. Oh, that's easy, just to use your hand. Use your fingers. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest and I'll come back and show you. Okay, I did a few little things because I'm extra and I can't help myself. So I put these silver stones or whatever you want to call them around that glass gem. And then, of course, I was showing you how I put these around the front part. So I think it's beautiful now. And this will glitter. This will shine in the sun. And then I took the paracord and I took another piece and glued it around this long piece that will hang. So I'm going to take you outside and show you where I'm going to hang it temporarily. I think temporarily. We'll see how it looks where I put it. It's a little cold outside today, and I not going to take my drill outside and put that hanger up. Well, at least the sun is shining. It's cold out here today, y'all. Temperatures dropped down to 35 last night, and it's only 53. So what I'm going to do is I've got some bird seed. I'm going to put the bird seed in here. Let me set my camera down. I'm going to pour this bird seed in here. I don't know how much to put. Oh, I can put a little more. I guess I'll put all that. Got the bird seed in there. And I still got to turn this camera around so you can see where I hang it. Hold on. I'm going to put it on this shepherd's pole for right now. And see what kind of birds we get coming in. I really didn't want it in my front yard, but that's what I'm going to do for now. And what I'm going to be making soon is a bird bath. So this might be the spot because I could put the bird bath right there on that table. So, what do you think? I think it is the cutest little thing. I think it's adorable. So from a distance, on the shepherd's hook, it looks like that. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you. It's summertime out here and it's time to spruce these yards up. So I'm going to have quite a few ideals, uh, little DIYs, crafts and things to spruce up your yard and put a little pop out there. More to come. Stay tuned. Peace and love. I am out and we'll see you next time. Oh, peace and love. Thumbs up, right? Exactly. Check you out soon.